Hello everyone, this is Matthew Simmons from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Ajax knot, a literary work written by Sophocles back in ancient times. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. I'm going to put it at my belly button belt line area as usual. I'm going to come over here. We're just going to put a mocha pinch in there. So let's go ahead and put that around here like this. Bring it around. Let's come around like this. We're going to come up and over. And then we're going to come back through this loop like this. Alright, so we're going to have this here so far, like that. Then we're going to come back around like this. I'm going to come up through here like so. And then I'm going to come down through here like this. Like that. Alright? So it's kind of lopsided at this point, which is what I want. I'm going to come back over here like this. I'm going to do a wreath like this right here. And then we're going to come down like this. And then I'm going to fold it in half. Bring it through that wreath that I just did. And then I'm going to put it through this top one right here. Alright, so let me put my collar down. Let me fix it up a bit. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials as I'm buttoning my collar here. So here we have this. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open that right there. So again, there you have it, the Ajax. Let me know how you like it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.